Okay, look at it trying to get out of the way. So here we are, fixing to start our job on a Tuesday morning. We are going to be doing some vinyl flooring today, and let me turn around and show you what we're going over some sticky towel here. You can carry on, Luke, it'll be fine. I don't like going over stuff like this, but I don't want to put underlayment down, nor do they want to tear this up and get into the floor underneath of it because it's a particle or a chip. So, just going to patch over it. Anything that's loose, we're going to tear up. Obviously, if there's any loose, that's been down about 15 years, they said. But any of it that's loose, which I haven't seen any yet, except for right there, pulling up that piece of metal was a little bit loose. But any of it that's loose, we're going to pull up and prep it out really good. You can see, standing here, right over there, you can see some of the corners that's raised up. We're definitely going to address all of that. And this hallway is getting it, and this bathroom is getting sheet vinyl as well. Which in here, you can see what's going on here. So we'll be taking that up and prepping that floor out all over next to the tub. So got some floor prep ahead of us here. Again, this is not my way to do this. I always like to get down to the original subfloor itself and then start over, but you got to do what the client wants you to do sometimes. Anyway, we're going to get busy pulling cord around, pulling any loose towel up, and then prepping it out. Let's get to it. What about Luke? You ready to get to it?
Yeah.
He's already to it. Look at him. He's gone, son. Well, now obviously I couldn't leave it down and go over it with it coming up that easy. So I got my way anyway. We get to go down to the regular wood floor. It is a particle board. Particle board. So it's nice and smooth, and I'll just prep it and go over it. So really glad that this come up good because I was dreading going over that. I don't like doing that. So happy. Alrighty, we got it all stripped up, cleaned, swept, vacuumed. Fixing to put our first layer of floor patch on the floor. I'm guessing 2-3 coats will probably get it like we want it. Still not the ideal floor to go over, but what can you do in these older homes, right? Make it the best you can and go with it. Well, the second coat is now going on. I think this is probably going to do it. When we get done with this second coat, we'll probably be good. Might have to do just a little touch up here and there, but I think 2 coats is going to take care of it. Okay, so that is going to conclude the daily vlog today. I forgot to get a video at the very end of the job there whenever I was finished up. However, I just finished up getting that second coat on there, and then I left. It was a pretty early day today. I was going to let that mud dry and cure really well overnight. There was a little bit of deep spots there. So left the fan running, and I think 2 coats is going to be good anyway. I double checked it after it dried just a wee bit. I was able to walk in there and check it out. I'm going to have to go back and do just a little bit, maybe on a couple of the joints, maybe 1 more coat over the joints of the particle board, and then it's going to be good to install. But anyway, I forgot to show it. So it was about 20 minutes after 1 whenever I left the job site today. And oops, excuse me, I'm trying to refrain myself from talking like that, job sites and stuff like that. Whenever I left the client's house, it was about 1:20 today. So I thought, well, it's a little bit early, so I went to the carpet store, unloaded my van, got it all ready. I did not pick up the material today though, because I didn't want to have it on my van overnight and it be all cold and stuff like that for in the morning, because it is vinyl. I want it nice and warm. The store is heated, so I I'm gonna leave it there and I'll do my stuff in the morning. But I did go there and get my van ready. And since I was a little early, I took this little guy here and went over to Action Graphics here in the adjoining town. Got a quote on getting vinyl wrapped on it and stuff like that. So whenever I get ready to do it, I know what kind of money I'm expecting to spend. And I also got a quote on my work van here. So turns out about $6,500, I can get both of them fully wrapped with my logos and everything on them, ready to roll. So just another step working toward the goal. Right there it is. Right there is my goal. Not there, but right there in front of me is my goal, and I'm gonna walk right toward it until it's accomplished. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is the daily vlog from FBSB.